Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your e-commerce platform with Shopify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your Shopify account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Shopify website and following the sign up process. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Start by exploring the theme section to find a design that resonates with your brand. Visit the online store option in the left sidebar and click on Themes. You can choose from free and paid themes available in the Shopify theme store. Preview different themes to see which fits your vision best. Once you've chosen a theme, click Customize to modify its appearance. Adjust the layout by rearranging sections like header, footer, and product displays. In the customization panel, upload your logo and set your brand colors. Next, add high-quality product images and detailed descriptions. Images should be clear and showcase your products effectively. Descriptions should highlight key features, benefits, and include relevant keywords. Now, it's time to optimize your site's navigation. Go to Online Store and then click on Navigation. Set up your main menu and footer to make product categories easy to find. Ensure that your contact information and policies are easily accessible. Implement Shopify's built-in SEO features to enhance your visibility. Navigate to Preferences under Online Store. Add a unique title and meta description for your store to improve search engine rankings. Next, integrate payment options to facilitate smooth transactions. Go to Settings at the bottom left corner and click on Payments. Choose from Shopify Payments, PayPal, or other payment gateways that suit your business. After setting up payments, configure your shipping options. Click on Settings and select Shipping and Delivery. Set rates based on location or price tiers to accommodate different customers. Now, enhance your store's functionality by exploring apps from the Shopify App Store. Visit the App Store and browse categories relevant to your needs. Some popular options include apps for email marketing, inventory management, and customer reviews. After installing the necessary apps, set them up according to their instructions. Next, run a test order to ensure everything works seamlessly. Go through the purchasing process as if you were a customer. Check for any issues or areas that may require adjustments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.